I miss South Korea. Currently I'm living in Canada, and the scenery, well, it's a little different. So today I'm going to show you my favorite hiking path in my hometown of Songdo, Incheon. The hiking path is called the Yeonsu Dulle-gil. I hope I got that pronunciation right. It's about a 17-kilometer path that goes across 3 mountains and then follows a flat waterway back to Songdo. There are 3 bridges that connect Songdo to the mainland. Bridge number 1 is where we started. It's at the water filtration plant. I really do not recommend starting here. We got super lost. It took a while for us to find out where we needed to go. This is the right way.
Really? There's no signs, there's no path.
I think I won.
Okay, where do you see a sign? Because I think you're wrong.
What I would do, and I normally do, is cross bridge number 2, keep walking until you hit the tunnel, and there will be a path that goes up to the top of the tunnel, and that'll put you right in between 2 of the mountains. From there, you can pick which way you want to go.
Montage time.
Minutes in.
A little difficult. We haven't exercised in a while.
Ready to call it quits?
No.
All right. We made it to park number 1.
That means break time for food.
That's all you ever wanted.
It's too big. This is gonna be too big too, look. Oh, okay. Okay. This one's okay. It looks so nice.
Whew.
Maria, you are so beautiful.
I picked up the trail behind the High Mart in Yeonsu. It was unbelievably hot, so I decided to go out on my own. I think the temperature was sitting around 35 degrees. I was surprised anyone was outside on that day. I swear it's like Super Mario 64 up here. Ah. Again. That's what it's all about. The views. Wow. So pretty. There's Songdo way out there. So I'm really hoping at the top here that sometimes they have ice cream or water or just anything to eat, because I'm absolutely dying right now. I got about probably 2 mouthfuls of water left, and right now it's like 3 o'clock, so it's peak heat right now, and I'm just getting to the summit now, but the view is great. Easily the coolest part about this trip is the old war buildings that are still intact. I think I missed the summit. Well, I don't see anyone up there, so there's probably no water. That means I'm on my way down. Down there is Moonhawk Park, which is another entryway to the mountain. Down there is Yeonsu Dulle-gil. There's the first mountain, and then on the other side, Songdo. Okay, I'm gonna call it quits here, mostly because I'm out of water, way too hot, and I can see that there's another peak over there, and I'm just way too tired. So I'll pick up from the trail back here, number 9, next time, and hopefully I can pick up at a different time, maybe when the sun's setting. And with that, more stairs.